The First Alert BRK brand's hardwired 120-volt AC/DC heat alarm with battery backup is a great add-on for spaces not suitable for smoke alarm installations. These can include laundry rooms, garages, bathrooms, kitchens, or other applications where a smoke alarm might be set off by cooking fumes and other nuisances, or be hindered such as in dusty areas. This hardwired alarm will sound if either the temperature in the area reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit, or if the temperature rises more than 15 degrees Fahrenheit within 1 minute. In addition to functioning independently, this hardwired alarm can also integrate with up to 18 compatible devices, including 12 smoke alarms and 6 compatible devices such as horns and repeaters for coverage of larger spaces. If one alarm in the series is triggered, they will all sound, giving you the earliest warning possible. This hardwired alarm comes with a battery backup powered by a 9-volt battery, so you're never left without protection, while the included wire harness makes installation simple. The battery compartment is located on the side for quick battery replacement without the need to remove the alarm to replace. The universal mounting bracket further eases the installation and covers up drywall cutouts, while the tamper-resistant locking pins keep the alarm secure. On the front, you'll find the single-button silence and test button. This alarm comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For more information, guides on installation, or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.